love, exciting and new. Come aboard, we're expecting you. And love, life's sweetest reward. Love boat, soon we'll be making another run. Promise is something for everyone.
Oh yeah, there's a party. There's like out by the pool. They're gonna have a little,
like the front.
from 2 to 3, I think.
I saw that at 11:30 they started the party.
Heading out to sea. Day 2 of our cruise, October 9th, 2025.
Oh, I forgot we're going down. It's not a good video. I can see myself. Oh.
4:30 on Thursday. Clouds are getting dark and it's windier.
First sight of land since leaving San Pedro, coming into Cabo San Lucas. Saturday morning, we're just off Mazatlan, but there's a storm, so they won't allow us to go in the port. So we're going to travel through the storm and continue on to Puerto Vallarta. It's very warm, but a nice cool breeze. It's fun to watch the rain.
A rainy day in Mazatlan, keeping us on the ship, unfortunately. Well, not so bad being on the ship too.
Ooh, there's some night meat for me. Pizza, a bar, hamburgers, hot dogs, tacos. It's a buffet kind of a day.
Alright. Good afternoon, how are you?
Hello.
Very good. There you go.
Your name?
Bongani.
Bongani?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you for your help.
Alright.
What'd you get? Everything?
Oh, gosh. Breaded shrimp, pulled pork burrito, fish, some vegetables.
Pasta. All right.
Quite a mix.
As they would say, bon appetit.
Bon appetit is what they always say.
He's going back for more. He ate it all. A buffet with a view, all right. Puerto Vallarta. The view from our balcony. Wow.
Didn't have a catch in that first half. He's got 4 receptions in the third quarter.
And they're coming after him. I told you right after that play. Jones is one-on-one. This is going to continue. Todd Bowles is not...
Tuesday, we're heading home back to San Pedro